What's up, guys? This is Arez from RCT bringing you another video for you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. This one is basically hot off the last one that I did with the Steam video, as you can see by the same shirt. No, I haven't been wearing this shirt for days and days on end. It's just that I'm doing these videos back to back in the case of the PC games section, because it's so huge. I'm trying to break it down into little small videos because there's too much to cover in a single one, and of course it's gonna end up being like a 2 or 3 hour video, which no one is gonna watch. Not that anybody are watching these. But anyways, the point is, this one needed its own video because even though it's a single game, it is a huge and massive game, which is Pinball FX 2. I know 3 is already around, but what fascinates me about this one is not the game itself so much. The game is super amazing fun, if you're into pinball and stuff like that. But the thing is how well it's integrated within, again, the Hyperpie setting. So without further ado, so I don't go rambling into a tangent or whatever, let's go into this and check it out. Alright, so let's go right into the Hyperpie, so we can go to what we're going to be covering today, which is Pinball FX 2. Now we have it right here. Just go right in. That music, I haven't changed it yet, so I need to. It's bleeding my ears for some reason. Now this module right here, this is one of the best experiences that I had with Hyperpie so far. Everything just simply works. It simply works. All the tables. You want to go into one, just go in.
Loading complete.
And it'll take you right there at the beginning of the game. No compromises, no bullshit. You just go in. That's it. So it fits very, very well within the whole Hyperpie setup and the visual presentation and all that.
Vengeance has a name. You know as the Ghost Rider.
Oh yeah.
The lock is lit.
And the show begins. We have a cheater.
Oh, damn it.
The lock is lit.
I'm invincible.
My grandfather would not be pleased.
Change the view.
The lock is lit.
With each escaped soul, hell grows closer to earth. And the show begins. Not bad. Not bad.
The lock is lit.
And if you want to change table, just press the escape. Boom, you're out. That's it. No question to ask. So we go to the next one. I want to do a little Plants vs. Zombie.
Loading.
Go in.
Loading complete.
Boom, right into the menu.
Ready, set, plant.
Wabby wobble.
Wobby wobble.
Rise and shine.
Nice. Woohoo! back to choose another one. So even though maybe it's not as smooth as some of the other, let's say like the SNES or Genesis 16-bit or any of that stuff, it's pretty cool that you can go in and out of each table. Say I want to go into this one right now.
Loading. Loading complete.
It just fades and boom,
I am Luke Skywalker,
starts you
Jedi
right
Knight
there.
and friend Captain Solo.
No bullshit menu that I have to deal with, which is excellent.
Let's go.
All you do is press A.
All right.
Bam.
Hang on.
Of course, mess around with the camera settings. Let's try another one.
Take it back to me.
Of course, you're seeing a theme here with the Star Wars because these are my favorites. But there's also, you know, some of the other ones. It's just that I just love the Star Wars ones. Especially this one. The Vader one is just amazing.
Loading complete.
Look at this shit. Oh, amazing.
Found something. Prepare my starfighter. Let's kick back activated. The ability to destroy the planet is insignificant next to the power of the
Crap.
Force.
Messed that one up. But guys, I think that you see what I'm talking about when it comes to this module. Really nice to have, especially if you want to break away from the regular gaming sessions. You know, just kick back, relax,
That's it.
play a few pinballs, or of course, if you are more inclined to the pinball scene, then at least you have something to look forward to. So yeah, that is going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and next time around we'll cover some of the other stuff left for this section. I can't stand that music. Oh my god, I just can't. I need to get out of here. Yeah, okay. Now we're talking. So yeah, guys, please like and subscribe. I'll check you soon. Take care. Peace.